Are you thinking about using Hemlane for property management but unsure if it's the right fit? Well, here are 12 things you need to know before buying, and we'll compare it with other options along the way so you can make the most informed decision. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share a better alternative that you can try for free. First, Hemlane provides a solid platform for managing rental properties. It's particularly known for its ease of use, but compared to alternatives like Appfolio or Buildium, some users find its interface a bit less polished, though it's still quite user-friendly. Next thing, Hemlane's key feature is its tenant and lease tracking. You can manage leases, track rent payments, and even automate late fees. It's a solid option, but some competitors have more advanced reporting tools, which could be a deal breaker if you need deeper insights into your property's financials. The third thing, Hemlane offers an automated marketing tool for listings. This makes it easy to get your properties out there, but it's not as robust as what you'd find with Rentec Direct, which includes syndication to a wider variety of platforms. If maximizing exposure is important to you, that's something to consider. Moving on, the fourth thing is maintenance tracking. Hemlane lets you assign maintenance tasks, but it's not as detailed as software like Propertyware, which offers more customization. Hemlane's system works well for most, but larger portfolios may need something more tailored. The fifth thing, Hemlane's payment collection system is straightforward. It supports ACH and credit card payments, and tenants can easily pay online. However, when comparing this with competitors like Appfolio, Hemlane lacks certain automation features in payment reminders, making it a bit more manual. The sixth thing, Hemlane supports both self-management and third-party property managers. While this is convenient, some competitors, like Buildium, offer more extensive third-party management tools. If you rely heavily on property managers, this could be an issue. The seventh thing, Hemlane's pricing structure is relatively affordable compared to some competitors. Its basic plan starts at a low monthly rate, making it attractive for small to mid-sized property owners. However, if you need more advanced features, you might find that competitors like Appfolio offer a more comprehensive suite for a slightly higher price. Next, Hemlane's mobile app is another notable feature. It allows owners and tenants to stay connected easily. While it's functional, the mobile experience isn't as refined as what's available with other platforms like Tenant Cloud, which has a more advanced mobile interface. The ninth thing, Hemlane offers great customer support. Their team is available for assistance, and many users report positive experiences. That said, competitors like Buildium are known for even more in-depth customer service, especially for larger portfolios, where they provide more hands-on support. The 10th thing, Hemlane offers integrations with third-party accounting tools like QuickBooks. This is a big plus, but if accounting is your primary need, you may want to explore alternatives like Propertyware or Rentec Direct, which offer more advanced accounting features built directly into the software. Next, Hemlane allows for flexible pricing based on the number of units you manage, which works great for small owners. But once you scale up, competitors like Appfolio offer bulk pricing that could be more cost-effective for larger portfolios. The 12th thing, Hemlane's biggest strength is its simplicity. It's an excellent choice for property owners who want an easy-to-use, no-frills solution. But if you're looking for more advanced tools, detailed reports, or greater scalability, you might find options like Buildium and Appfolio offer more of what you need. In conclusion, Hemlane is a good option for smaller property management needs, especially if you value simplicity and cost-effectiveness. But if you're looking for something more advanced or customizable, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.